Today we are going to be fixing a 2006 Dodge Caravan headlight. So I'm Ike and I'm going to show you. So it's so easy that even Ike can do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out these 3 screws. This is what holds the headlight in. Alright, so I'm going to take them out. Alright. Okay, so now that you have all the 3 screws untied, it's going to be super loose, so you're just going to pull it out super easy. And so this is the main light that we're going to be replacing. So this right here is what's keeping it on, so we're going to twist this off, this little plastic thing. There you go. And now once you have it untwisted, make sure not to pull it by the wires because it could short it. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull the light right out. There we go. Now that we have the light out, to unhook it, these little plastic things right here, you just kind of unclip. And alright, what you're gonna do is you just can put the flathead in and kind of pop it out, so the thing comes on the side. And now once you have that, I'm just gonna kind of push it out. There you go. So now this is the piece that you're going to replace once you get it out. So once you take it out, you're going to make sure you don't touch this glass because it's very fragile. And if you touch it, it could crack or the light will burn out quicker, and kind of make sure you don't get it wet. I'm just wearing gloves so I don't accidentally bump it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in and slide it into the clip. So if you just push this in. There you go, now it should be clipped in. And now I'm just going to slide it in. And just get this clipped in. So just make sure your light is straight, it's not on a curve. Okay, and then you're going to put this clip on and just tighten it. And then once you tighten it on, we got this on. So we're just going to slide the light back up in. Make sure you get the light in the hole to match the screw. So once you have that, now just make sure you thread it in with your hand at first before you tighten it. So now they're kind of in. Now I'm gonna tighten it in. And once you have them all in, then we're just gonna test it and make sure the light is working.
No, that's not right. Okay,
so as you can see, it works now, and this is so easy that even I can do it.